Hello and what's up, everybody? If you are wanting to stop your battery from draining fast as well, and you're looking out how to do so, this guide will exactly guide you through the process for that. So let's just dive right in. So for that, we can start by adjusting our display brightness. So for that, you can go to your settings, and within your settings, go over and look out for the display section and tap on it. And there you can look out for the brightness slide bar right here. So what you can do is you can manually lower your brightness, or you can use this option of adapt features and turn it on to set it automatically or adjust it based on ambient light. So you can just go and do so. This is one of the way possible. Or if your phone has an AMOLED screen, dark mode can significantly reduce the power consumption. So for that, go to display and you can just go over and turn on the dark mode on your device. And that should also probably work and stop the battery from draining fast. This is a way possible. Apart from that, we can set limit to our screen timeout. So you can just go over and do so for that. Tap on display and look at the screen timeout option and tap on it. And you can set it lesser. For example, if you set 15 seconds or 30 seconds, that should consume the battery less. Or if you do not want to use those, another method we have possible is enabling the power saving modes. We can use the power saving features on our device. So go to settings for that. And once we go to our settings, look out for the battery and device care and tap on it. And within there, look out for the battery section and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can use the phone's built-in feature, which is power saving, to limit the non-essential functions. So you can just go and turn this option on right here. That should probably limit it. Or you can just go over and turn on this option of protect battery as well. That should expand the lifespan of your battery and also reduce the power consumption. This is also very possible. Apart from that, if you're using any kind of unnecessary applications, you can just go over and close it up completely and then turn it off, especially those that run in the background. And also limit the background activity. You can just go over and do so. And that should also work. Probably those are some of the solutions you can follow up. You can also avoid extreme temperatures. Don't leave your phone in the direct sunlight or very cold places, as heat is also particularly bad for your battery health. So those are probably the solutions you can follow for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.